Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So, as you can see here, I have uploaded the schedule for the remainder of the semester. Talk a little bit about the multimodal project, which is the way we will end up the semester in a moment. As you can see here, there are no more discussion boards. As I begin to close out assignments and discussion board activities, I will publish those dates in separate announcements. So the last 2 weeks are going to be pretty simple. We're going to work on the multimodal project. This is where you repurpose your research essay topic into a multimodal means of communication. Okay. Since I am producing this video on Sunday the 2nd, I want to remind everybody that the final research essay draft is due tonight by end of day, same as the responses for discussion board 17. If you have some extenuating circumstances that might prevent you from completing this on time, please be proactive and send me an email. So I want to talk briefly about the multimodal assignment. I've moved some of the units around here, so I just want to give you an overview. This week's lecture video, I will talk about some of the content in the Curious Researcher about repurposing your topic into alternative genres. If you have an opportunity before the lecture video, you can look at the specific chapters and pages where Ballinger talks about alternative genres, give you an idea of exactly how you might consider reshaping your research topic. So without going into a lot of great detail here, the multimodal project is for you to repurpose your assignment slash topic where you will use the visual along with and audio to repurpose your particular research essay topic. This might be an interesting, actually, this is meant to be an interesting and creative assignment. Looking for you to capture the information and the essence of your particular um, topic in a different genre. So I have four options for you, and which one you choose is entirely up to you. I do not promote any specific platform or another. If you already work in some sort of a platform and you're familiar, that's fine with me. All I'm assessing is a end product along with a one-page reflection. So I make four offerings here, which is a web page, a video. I will come out with specifics in the lecture video about what I'm looking for in the way of a time limit on the video, a podcast, same thing. And then for those of you who are into infographics, you can talk a little bit about infographics in the lecture video. I have some examples of infographics that my workplace writing students have just recently completed for an assignment. So I offer two platforms for that. PictoChart and Venngage are two platforms that are popular and free. It's important. Also on the web page, you can use Weebly. If you have got some experience with Weebly, you can use their free platform, or right through our Drive folder, Google Sites is available for free, and also it can be uploaded into the our Drive folder. So really a straightforward assignment there. So this is something you can start thinking about right about now. All right. And then here's the one page reflection that I'm asking everyone to write for their multimodal project. All right. So this is the ending project here in 1102. Also, I'll talk in week 16 about the final exam, and there is the due date and cutoff time for that. So it'll all unfold So this is about it. We're wrapping up this semester. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.